Could it be that Bitcoin is following this flag formation here and we will see lower prices over the weekend into the next week? Or another pattern that I'm showing in this video is going to the upside? That is something that we definitely have to talk about today. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will always be notified when I put out one of these important market updates. And now let's get straight into the charts here. So here on the 4-hourly time frame, we can observe that Bitcoin was forming here this upward sloping channel or flag and has broken this to the downside, and we got already a rejection with a retest here to come back into the channel, so which confirms that we have here this upward sloping former support turning into resistance. So, and it looks like that this flag formation here is more and more playing out for Bitcoin. So because we have here of course the pole that goes here all the way back here. So, and right now we saw that we were breaking to the downside here. So what should happen next is, because we got the retest, so you see here the initial breakdown with a move to the upside where we got the retest. So, and from there we should be heading down. So now of course the question is, how low will we go? And if you're watching this channel, you know already the levels because I was talking all week about that. So one of these levels is here all the way down at $20,400 where we have support, and underlying that it's around $19,900. So but if we move here to the other charts, to this one here for example, and there you see it a little bit clearer here, there even to $20,745, there is the first major support here all the way up to $21,000. So we are now breaking above that. Let's see if we can close this candle in the next 18 minutes to stay above that level and see continuation. And of course on this chart here, we also see on the 1-hourly chart that Bitcoin has formed a cup and handle pattern and broke out to the upside. So you see we have two really contradicting patterns here right now. We have this flag formation on the one side, we have, which is bearish, and we have here this couple handle pattern being bullish. So for me to take here a new trade position, what needs to happen is that we break the range of $21,500 and go above that. So that's actually, if I move this a little bit higher, all the way up here. So this level has to be broken, that I would say I go into a long position right now. So, and 20,760 has to be broken so that I would take a short position and would invalidate this cup and handle pattern. So, but if we look here from the cup for the technical target for this long position, then we see a technical target is close to the resistance. So what this could mean could be that we come up here again, try to break this again, and potentially get a rejection, and then actually we come all the way down and break $20,760, or we break through that and then we can open a long position and it goes way higher, because we have also on the VPVR, as I showed you recently, a huge liquidity gap, then all the way up to around $28,000 if we manage to break through this resistance. So now again I have to come back to the CME gap. Of course, if we get rejected, as I just pointed out, at $21,500, that's also more or less the level here, there, then we will definitely turn around and fill the CME gap all the way down actually to $19,900, and this will give us a perfect short entry if we want to short from there. So but we have to be careful with that. So if I would be trading this from that resistance point on here, so what I would like to see is a 1-hourly close, 4-hourly close above that level to enter a long position. And if we cannot do that, then we can open a short position, but I would not put too much leverage on that, with a technical target of around $20,000. So that's my game plan here over the weekend to see how this is going to develop. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade this with me together, I will actually post that in my Telegram channel, which is for free. If I'm going to take this trade, don't forget on BYBIT, if you sign up there, you get still $30,000 absolutely for free if you deposit a little bit of money there, only with my specific link. And on Bitget, $20,000 still in bonus available, also only with the link in the pinned comment and in the description below. So then when we go to our Wyckoff pattern, also here everything is still working as intended. So here for the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, so we should be now in this leg down here, and that is also reflecting in the price that we should get this leg down here to around $20,000, and then we have another move up here to this next resistance level of $22,500. So in any case, if we come all the way down here on the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, here I'm gonna open a massive long position, and we'll trade this all the way up to at least $28,000, because I think it will be really hard for Bitcoin to get to $30,000, $32,000 and stay above that for the next 2-3 months. So that's why I'm gonna take initially profits there and then reassess the situation to see where I'm gonna re-enter my long position. Other than that, there's not much else to say. So it's right now more or less a waiting game to see in which direction either direction we are going here. So if I go here to the 1 hourly chart, I can point a little bit more out the channel that we are in right now. So and if you look at this range here, so you can maybe already make it out. So you see we are here trapped in this range, so where we cannot break this resistance. So, and that is exactly our problem, that we are stuck here in that range. Once one of these levels are giving in, either this, the resistance or the support, then we can trade accordingly. So of course, if we break here the support, then we take the short position. If we break the resistance, we take a long position. But of course, we're gonna wait for $21,500 also to break. So what I would like to see is that we get above, with a 4 hourly close, all these wicks here that we have created, and basically not create another fake out and then turn around again. Guys, that's it for today's update. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.